Hey guys. Hey. Hi. Oh, hi. Welcome to my DVD update. This week I got a bunch of new cool stuff I'm going to show you, and hopefully you dig it. First, Rolling Thunder. Seems like a cool film. I actually didn't get to watch it. The thing's too big to fit in my DVD player, but what can you do about that, right? Ooh, the next film. Jiffy, the movie. Skippy the movie. Unfortunately, I haven't got to see this yet, but it looks like it's pretty cool. Starring roasted peanuts, sugar, and hydrogenated vegetable oils. I actually wasn't able to watch this one because when you open it, it's just peanut butter. When I'm reviewing DVDs, I prefer to wear Nikes. If I was to review, say, a Men's Health Club or a wine, I might wear Adidas or Puma.